In this video, we will study how to write assembly language program for a particular statement. For that, we will take one example like write a program to print first 100 natural numbers. We have to think on this problem like a typical programming methods, but we have to implement these in terms of the assembly language program. So for that, we will first study which are the different parts or which are the different sections which are involved in the assembly language program. Firstly, we will write the serial number. Then we will write the assembly language program. Then, as we have seen the SMACO programming, we will write the same here again like machine program, and we can give the comments or explanation of our programming. Now, as we all know that to print anything up till some number, we have to take it from first position, then increment its counter and then print it till that number reach. So for that, we will start with some concepts like, for example, we will take a counter and that is having the number 1. So we will make a moves like move a register, and we will take a first register that is the A register and 1 in that first register, means we will take a first value that is the 1. Now we will shift this 1 value to the counter with the help of a move memory mechanism, that is a move memory A register. In the register mechanism, this value is placed in this register, and in the memory management, this value is placed into the second operand. So it is a, we will take it as a count. Now, we will simultaneously write the machine language program. We all know that for moving into the register, the machine code is 4, A register having the value 1, and we are placing this value. So the next code will be 10. Now, for memory movement, we will take a machine code that is the 5. We are moving this value into the first register, means from first register to the counter, and for that we will take a gap because the counter will be specified in the next steps and that number will be given to the mechanism. So we will take a next move and stop here for some time. Then, as we have shifted the counter value 1, we will first of all print this value. For that, we will take a mechanism like print count. Okay, means we are displaying the first value that is the 1. This printing procedure we have to perform again and again. So we will take here a label that is the again. This label we are specifying here externally. Okay. For the printing, we all know that the opcode is 10 and here we are printing the count, and for that purpose the first operand will be 00. We have to specify only the next one. We will take a next move. Up till now we have taken a procedure like we have specified here the count equals to 1 and we are printing the count. Okay. Comments are those sections which can be included or which can be excluded depending on your choice. Okay. As we have shifted count in counter value 1 and we have printed the value as it is a 1. Now we have to increment this counter by 1 In plain languages, we will take a move like counter plus plus. But in terms of a programming, this facility, assembly program, this facility is unavailable. For that, we have to take again counter into the A register. For that, we will take again the move register. That is the move register, A register, and we will again shift the count. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to add the one number into it, that is the 1. Means each time we increment counter by 1 and till the 100 number is reached. For that, we will take a move like we will add. Okay. So, add A register 1. 1 is the variable and which has the value 1 that we have to specify later. Now, we have added 1 into the previous value, that is the 1 plus 1. Now we have to again shift this register to count because we have to print this count again. So we will take a move like move memory, and again a register value will be shifted to counter value, means counter become 2. Now we have to print this value again. Okay, but before that we have to check it with the 100 if this value is reached to the 100. In normal programming we are using the if loop, but in this programming we have to use the conditions like compare. The assembly language program provides us the mechanism like compare, so we will use compare. Then what we have to compare, as our value is placed in a register. Okay, this is now 2, and for printing purpose we have shifted it, only copied it into the count, but it up till now it is having the 2 value, means the incremented value. So we have to compare it with the 100. So compare a register with the 100. What is the 100? 100 is a variable we are taking, and that having the specific value, that is the 100, that we have to specify later. Now, if we have compared here, if we have to make a BC statement, that is if it is less than equal to, okay, we are comparing with the counter is in this comparison, and we have to check it like if it is less than equal, we have to again the perform procedures like again which we have specified here, and then if not is reached in the 100, then it will automatically stop, then it will have in the next number. Now this is the program or the procedure for counting the first 100 natural numbers. But what we have to specify, we have to specify again that we have used the 3 variables, 1, count and 100. Now these are the declaration statements. Okay, then we have to declare them as first, for example, count. Okay, then count is a DS statement and we have to specify it 1. 1 and 100 are constants, means we are declaring it as a 1 having value 1 because it is a declared statement, but 1 and 100 are the constants, so declaration constants, and they are having the specific value 1 and 100, and at the last we will stop the procedure. So this is all about the assembly language program, but we have to complete it the machine language program. You can, depending on the situation, you can exclude the machine language program also, but I am simultaneously uh, showing you all the mechanisms. Now here we have left some programming. Now we will complete it again. Move memory A register count. A register having the value 1. Okay, its number is 1, but the value for the counter, that is it is at the ninth position, So it is 009. For 10 also, it is a 10 for printing, 00 for operand 1 and 09 for operand 2. Okay. Now, next was the move register. So move register having the opcode 4. We have to shift in the first register. Then what is the counter? Counter having the value 9. Then we have to add having the opcode 1. Then a register having the 1 and 1 is at the 10th position, so it is a 1 0. Then again for memory moving, it is again 05. It is again way register and counter having the value 9. Then comparison having the opcode 06. Then a register having the 1 value and it is having at the 11th position, so it is a 0 11. Now BC statement having the 07 opcode. Now less than equal to is at the second comparison point. Okay, and then it is a again procedure. Again is at the second position, so it is a 002. Then stop will take the 00 positions and then it will again start from 0 1. Okay, this is the value of storage, means declaration statement has not any value. 1 having the value 1 and 100 having the value 100, and you can simultaneously specify the comments that you are thinking about the program. This is all about how to write a program for any specific statement in terms of a assembly language. Thank you so much.